Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a blog this week. It just kind of refresh you if you haven't looked at blogs or haven't ever used blogs before. Blogs have been around for a while. I happen to follow a fashion blog on online that's really good. I followed food blogs before. A lot of people have made a lot of money making blogs. You might have a topic that's of special interest to a lot of people and make a blog, and people respond and you gather information, and it's really kind of fun. Well, I want you to know how to blog for several reasons. One is that it's a part of the Google Suite. We're going to be using Blogger. Another thing is you might even use it for personal use. I have made blogs for trips that I took, that every day I posted some information and I posted pictures, and the only people I wanted to see it were the few people I wanted to send the information about my trip. So I could make it private except for sending to the people I wanted to, and just sent them the link, and that way I shared my trip without having to individually send emails or who I'd forgotten to, whatever. So this is just another example of using it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type Blogger up here. I can do two ways. I can go into my Google apps and just click Blogger, or I can click on blogger.com. So I've got some old ones up here. But this one that I'm going to do is going to be called, I've got to go down here all the way to the bottom here, and I'm going to call it New Blog. All right, and I'm going to title it Debbie's Blog for the Spring. So say for spring 2025. And I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to type that. Now you can't use any characters, no apostrophes, anything when you're doing your address. So I do Debbie's Blog for spring 2025. Now, if it lets me save it, that means it's available. If it's not, it says this blog is available, it won't let me start. So here it is, right up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my theme. And this is the most important part, because I'm going to take points off and make you redo it. So do it right the first time, because this simple theme puts the pages and the RSS feeds and the plus blog post in the same area, same place, which will make it very simple to read and follow along. So I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to say, here it is. And then I'm going to customize it. I'm going to do a background. It's easier just to use one of the backgrounds that they already have. I think I like to use the one with the books right here. Then I'm going to pick a color. You know, anybody that knows me knows I love purple. So I'm doing purple. So there's Debbie's blog for spring 2025. Now, what I want to do next is I want to save it. So look in the bottom right, and I'm going to click Save. All right. So I've updated this. Now, the way I share my blog for people to read, this is important, because you look up here, you do not use this URL address, because if you do that, it's going to take you back to anything of mine. It's not going to take yours. So what you want to do is to share it is you want to go back to this home page, and you'll hit View Blog. Now, if you look up here, it says blogspot.com. If it doesn't have blogspot.com, it's not the correct URL. So I would highlight that and put that on my website at the very bottom where it says Tech Blog. I'll highlight Tech Blog and do it. I'll show you that in just a minute. So that's how you initially set it up. I'm going to break the other parts down in little pieces so that it's not so hard to try it, and you can stop and start. So that's how you set up your blog.